Infinix Hot 12i is expected to be released on February 10, 2022. Infinix is expected to cost $179 in USD. Infinix will shortly release its new Hot 12i smartphone. Let's get into the details of the specification. The smartphone has a MediaTek Helio chipset, which is the most powerful chipset on the market, and a 2 GHz octa-core processor inside Infinix's Hot 12i, to make the gadget incredibly speedy. The smartphone's display screen measures 6.51 inches and features a Full HD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display of the new Infinix Hot 12i is an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. This Infinix phone has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and it comes in a variety of colors. The Infinix 12i has a dual camera configuration on the back. The handset's primary sensor will be 13 megapixels, with a secondary sensor of 2 megapixels. The phone's selfie camera is 5 megapixels, which makes capturing selfies easier and more attractive. The Android 12 operating system is installed on the Infinix Hot 12i. This newcomer also includes a strong 3.5mm audio jack. The Infinix Hot 12i will be powered by a LiPo 5000 mAh non-removable battery. This smartphone also has 4G, dual SIM, microSD card support up to 512 GB, LED flashlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM radio, accelerometer, light sensor, and proximity as well as other features. What are your thoughts on this phone? Let's discuss in the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell button to be notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching.